it's been a while, but it's time for what comes up next. And what's next, you might ask? Well, it's going to be amazing. I'm really excited for this one. Coming this spring, at the latest, it'll be this summer. The supercharger is going to get installed. That's right. This thing makes 380 at the wheels right now. So I'm hoping to bump those numbers up drastically, and we'll be giving you videos on the whole entire process on installation of a supercharger. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited to show this to you guys. So please stay tuned.